Is share market in short correction or about to crash? Hello viewers. Today we have a special guest, Rahul Thombare, who is a Ichimoku trader and he is in share market more
Namaste.
than a decade. Welcome Rahulji. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Warmly welcome. More excited to see you in Target Trading channel. So before we start, tell about your journey in trading market and why the Ichimoku indicator is your favorite one.
Yeah, thank you, Agur, by you allowing me to here to as a guest. As per my journey, almost 6 years, I think my journey is in the stock market. I accidentally entered in this market. One of my friend has said ki, he has a week in the trading, and he said you are the engineer, so you will be definitely doing the better in this market, so you come. So initially I haven't any idea about. After the demat open, I started to learn about the many of books. Then I realized Ichimoku is one of the secrets strategy. They hide almost the 60 years. I started learning. Initially I haven't any idea about the how to trade with the Ichimoku. But in the Ichimoku, I start trading with the clouds only. So I won't any know any idea about the how the Ichimoku works and all. Just initially just generate the green signal in the further commodity which is generated. We started to take the positions in a equity, in a future, in options like this. We are trading most of the time. We on the cloud basis. We hold the positions to longer run. 3 days, 5 days. Still, the cloud is not right. Even we are in a fresher, but we received almost a good returns at that time. Sometimes money is a double, sometimes money is a triple, on the basis of the cloud. Even we don't have any idea, even known about the companies, what are the businesses, what are they are making. But we received a good result. Then after I realized we have to focus in this strategy. We have to improve this strategy because it's almost a 150 years old strategy actually. So we work on the parameters. We work on these signalize. I found how many people are using the Ichimoku. The toppest people are most of the using the Ichimoku. The channels, most of the news channels, people are using the Ichimokus. But they not disclose to anybody because the already the inventor has disclosed this strategy almost the 60 year of use after that, I think. Then Japanese has Japanese people also that strategy has almost hidden. There's a ban Ichimoku in the some period of time. So when I was in the initial time, this is very helpful for me actually. So that's my journey.
Okay, it's nice
That's the
to
journey. Thanks,
yeah, nice
thanks.
to hear from you. So the Ichimoku indicator is really one-side equilibrium indicator. So
Yes, yes, yes.
at taking a one side, we can know the trend of the market. So I don't
Yes.
think in any other indicator we can see the trend by simply looking in a second how the market will go in which direction and how it reacts. So that's most special about the Ichimoku indicator.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So today the title of share market is that crashing or is a short correction? Because
uh,
last week in last Friday the Nifty went down 500 points and the Sensex more than 1,000 points. So it's a panic move last Friday. So everyone thinks that this is the major correction going to happen in the market. So what's your view on market correction and expected range in upcoming weeks?
Now we can say as a there is a weekly time frame is a green as per the Ichimoku. Monthly time frame already green. They never is in a sell mode. So the smaller time frame like the 30 minutes, 1 hours, and 4 hours, the generate the sell signal on the Ichimoku or any other strategy. The people are starting the panics. But the higher time frames are the if it is a stronger buy mode, is a stronger green mode, then we haven't any make a panic because we have to add always in the such a cycles because this smaller time frame has a follow to the bigger time frame. So as for the Ichimoku, the day time frame, we have a special settings in the Ichimoku. we are using, because after the some 3 to 4 years working, after we generate the some special settings, it's give the confirm signal. So as per the settings, we not receive the sell signal right now in the daytime frame,
So we can take this
because
as a small
trend has
correction.
not broken down, because there is a retrace.
So in your point of view, so it's a small correction. It's not the major crash going to happen in future.
Yes, yes. No, 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 anything seen on the day chart even right now. I can show you when you allow to me to share. Here it is, supports are there, but even we not any seen anything, because we are above the top 6 month support above. So not seeing anything the fall, because after the 6 month bureau we can say as a crash, but right now it's not seen anything like the crashing mode like this. Now, and as per the economy, we can say that everything is working on. People have moved to the offices, and schools are opens. Some trains, people are allowed to the travels. Others businesses are opens. So industry are runs. So either and vaccination also in a top. So I don't think so. Suppose new variant rumors is stronger than the previous one.
At the same time, the pharma shares were rising up, right? So is that indicating market going to crash and alerting us ahead of corona third wave?
Actually, we never say as a it's move up always. Okay, some panic mode is happening, and then pharma shares are up. They have our own businesses also is stronger businesses as well. The Apollo Hospital is there. Then Metropolis Healthcare is there. The hospital chains are bigger. They have good businesses, and even the in hospitals lines, we can say as a right now every time we have to add the hospitals, pharma, yeah, hospitals like this shares we have to add. In this current situation, suppose doctor charges the 1,000 rupees, but after the 10 years, maybe it charges it will be take the 3,000 rupees in the minimum bill amount, and this is a non discountable expenses. So our pharma shares or any hospitalization shares are every years are they grown. So we can say as
Yes.
always we have to buy on a deep such a stocks. We not say as a key some panic mode is activated, and then pharma we have to invest in the pharma stocks, because these are the stocks are the chains. So we have to add, because these stocks are the non discountable expenses in right now, because the if we go if we receive the any bill, so we if we ask to the doctors ki, give me the discount, they will not give the discounts and his fees and all the medicines, right? So these are the non-discountable expenses we have to add every years, because every pharma means healthcare industry is very stronger. So always we have to keep in this such stocks in the portfolios actually.
Well
Yeah.
said. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. So you have picturized the actual current situations and no, the future the view.
Yeah, this is a Nifty chart or day chart, and this is a Ichimoku with the special setting. So we can see as just found we aggressive. We can say as a aggressive exit signals here, but no any downside found here. We can say as for this setting, we can say as this is a stronger support span B area. Is the one of the is above the cloud. It means that the trend has not broken down. So we have to add add the positions in this area. So after this, it will be chances to the bounce again and move up. Like this same situation was happened in the past also. So we can see as a price as comes on the clouds. The cloud thickness also we can say as a 12% thickness. This price come to the cloud, and then we have a panic mode here, and then again price move up. Same situation is here, but cloud size is almost the 10%. The cloud size is a thickness is a very stronger thickness. So this thickness is a thickness broken is very difficult to the marketer. Uh, so it will be take the in the supports area in this area, and then move up. Add this stocks to the portfolio to in this area actually.
Yeah.
So Bank Nifty. So cloud size in this area is a very bigger size. So there is a scene as the buyers are the more actually. If a cloud size is high, then it means the buyers are the in there. So see, same his scenario is here. The supports area is very stronger. Here is a flat area. Here is a flat. So many supports area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 area is there. So this one is a feature. Supports area is also there. Six supports are area in this area. So very difficult to price move down and crash the market actually. So Chiku span is above the cloud. Below the candle, it means the neutral parts is there. Below, suppose Chiku is above the clouds, and below the price, it means the neutral parts. It's not a crash signal. So it's not a sell signal in this chart actually. We have to anytime it will be Nifty will be move up, Bank Nifty will be move up from this in this area. Pharma shares I can say as Apollo Hospitals. See, Apollo Hospitals. Right. So here is a breakout happen and move up. So it not means is panic mode is happening there. Therefore, it's a move up. So see, it's started from this even the panic mode went down. See, yeah, almost 200% returns was given. Even also it's move up and new buy signal was created here the long side. So we have to add as always. So more upside is pending here. See, these are the upper side lines are the upper side is pending. So anytime it's chances to in the future it will move to that areas actually. So very a good upside in the pharma shares also. So we have this non-discountable expenses right now. After the 5 years, it will be very good returns we get in this such a stocks actually.
Yes. So on behalf of Target Trading Group, thank you, Rahulji, for your valuable time spending with us and share the market view. So we'll join again for new interaction in the future. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste, sir. Namaste.